Alright guys, this is the room tour of 803 at Hilton Garden Inn Kyoto. This is the entrance, nice and modern. So when you come in, there's a humidifier on the side shelf, ironing board, and a place to hold your luggage. Good little area here. So your two free waters, some teas in here, black tea and organic coffee. Actually, I'm curious how you're gonna make the coffee. There's no coffee machine. This is a fridge. Safe here. Shoehorn. Oh, and two PJs. They look very soft. I feel very soft. And they also get slippers here. So these are not the reusable ones, but they're sterilized. A scale. Alright, and then on the right here, there's a bathroom. Bathroom with a bidet. This one does not all open. Well, some of them do. Glass shower. Nice and clean. Actually, still a bit wet. There's your mirror and counter space. It's an okay amount, not the most, but I think it's good for two people. Oh wow! So here's your free amenities. There's a hair dryer. What's in here? Oh, your mirror. Toothbrushes. Oh, these are cool. I think my gift would bring these back and gift it to people. Cotton sets. I think just a hairband, some toothpaste, more storage, and towels here on the bottom. Alright, now to the main area. Nice big TV. Random person in the corner over there. This is a queen size bed. You have your temperature control. And over here, air purifier and humidifier. That space. And some smelly feet. And plugs. Not sure what the view is like. I know a lot of them don't have much reviews. This is an upgraded view. Yeah, I used to see some stuff out there. Not the amazing view, but better than nothing. I mean, this place just opened like this year. But it's very modern, very clean. It smells good. Can't complain.